unboxing of the Zhiyun Smooth 4 handheld gimbal with focus, pull, and zoom capability. I'm not quite sure what phone go mode means, but I guess it means like make it happen real quick. And then kind of its thing is born to mobile. It came in that box, and it comes with this carrying case, which is a foam, real secure. It's pretty good, pretty good. Here it is. So what do we got in here? Got some interesting things. All right, let's take a look. Got a 3-prong stand for which you could actually mount the gimbal to, which is cool because then it acts as a stationary mount. And I believe it does some tracking, which we'll go through some of that in the initial review and walkthrough. Here is a USB-C cable, which is pretty cool because then you can use it for your phone and whatnot. So that's cool. And then the gimbal itself, really robust, really hard materials, hard plastic materials. As you can see, it's kind of like a fishing rod, so don't, but there's a purpose for that. This is your zoom and pan and zoom, pretty cool. Other multifunctional buttons here. I guess that's for target. Menu settings, which is through the app. You got your record button, power button, camera, photo button. I'm not sure if that's display, if it's you can change the format, but we'll do that walkthrough. But yeah, so here it is. I got this from eBay. Pretty good price, $100. All right, let's see if I can get it back in here. Yay, I did it. So that is the Zhiyun Smooth 4. Thanks for watching, guys.